system is finished. Now let's see our economic wig loop. This is our economic wig loop. This quality is very good. This color is number 1B. This wave is also 30 centimeters wave. And the hair length is 15 centimeters. The base thickness is medium thickness. Thickness is about 0.042 to 0.006. And the base size is normal size is 10 by 8 inches. The base is very soft. You can see very soft. Okay, now let's see more details. First one, let's see the front. The front is, you can see no knots, right? It is very natural. The PU is also transparent, right? Now it is on my hands, but you can find it, right? You can't find it. No knots. This is wig loop. Inside the knots, so small, so invisible, right? And the crown is natural. Okay. This is our economic wig loop system, but quality is very best. This here, the hairs is India hairs, best India hairs. Okay, this price is not reach $200. Very best. Hair length is 15 centimeters, and the wave is 30 centimeters wave, and the color is number 1B. You can, our hair quality, very smooth, right? Very smooth. Okay. And the base, PU base quality is also good, right? Very soft. You can see very soft. And density is heavy. You can see more hairs. The density is about 110 to 120. This is our normal density. Okay. This price is very best, not reach $200. Okay. Now this term in our stock. This term, this economic wig loop system in our stock. Stock color has number 1B, number 2, number 3. Okay. If you like it, we can ship immediately. Okay. If you like it, you can tell us. I believe you will like it. Okay. Okay. Today our live will finish. See you tomorrow. Bye. If you want to see more system, you can write our website. Website address is www.3w.newlacecu.com. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow.